ki Pulit jang ke East Khasi Hills District Shen kin samudui da ka moko duma halor ka jingsha Kynnoh bakadon ka jingsha le Beijot jang ka wei ka khna kan thei ha Malki ka badon ha Shillong uhe Pulit jang ka district umba Sylvester nong tinger ulaya thu baute unong sha Kynnoh ba ar ude parlok jang ute briu bat kilaya itu bha u superintendent of police ula ong bakat kum ka an kin pendep ya ka tei ka moko duma hapo ki ar tayo kat kum ka jing tha bala ai ka ne ka jingja kala ja ha ka ar pu khandai tarik Agos ar hajar ar pusau bat ya ka FIR la ujor ha ka lai peu tarik Agos ar hajar ar pusau bat ha ka tei ka ju hi ka sngi ki Pulit ki la kem no yaw nong sha Kynnoh baningkong bat kat ba yaw nong sha Kynnoh ba ar la kem no na smith ha ka step jong ka sngi ningkong.
Okay, thank you for the questions. Regarding this Malki rape case, on 29th of August we received FIR at the line police stations. Oh, sorry, on the 29th, the thing has happened. On 30th, we received the FIR at the police stations. Then OC and her team swung into action, and on the same day, that is on 30th August, one accused was apprehended. After interrogation this night, then the second accused also was arrested. That is from Smith area. So ultimately 2 accused were arrested. The second accused was a friend of the victim. They known to each other. So in fact they were a friend. But however, it's unfortunate that it's turned into a rape case.